Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to all of you once again to the competitive classes. In today's class, we are going to discuss some of the concept of Boolean algebra and semiconductor electronics. And already we have discussed maybe the concept, formulas, all those things. So the thing is, if we have a bar dot b whole bar, how I can get and which gate I am going to get this. So already know with distributive property we know, commutative property we know, Boolean algebra, normal methods we know, or De Morgan's theorem we will say. So these are all, again I am going to come to that. This we know. Okay, now how I can interpret this? How I can interpret this? So generally it is nothing but a dot b, isn't it? A dot b. So a dot b, by using formulas, how I can write down? How I can write down? Whole bar is there. Okay. So consider this as a itself, this as b itself. So a dot b we have together means, okay. So we are going to get it as a bar plus b bar. But a was no longer a, it was a bar, isn't it? Now we are writing for this actually. A dot b means a plus a bar plus b bar, no? But a was no longer a, it was a bar I am writing. So it is nothing but inverse of 2 times, no? That becomes a itself plus b bar we are going to get, b bar we are going to get, isn't it? So this is the way, okay. This way we are going to get the equation. Suppose you have given with a and one more formula is a plus b bar. This is one result, okay. So how I can interpret this? By different methods, by some manipulation we can do that. Now if I multiply means a I am going to get plus ab bar I am going to get. Now a dot a is nothing but singular property, that is nothing but, okay, a only we are going to get, a dot a. Now this I can write down it as ab bar. Now a is common term, a into 1 plus b bar I am going to get. 1 plus b bar, whatever it may be, you are going to get is 1 only. The plus is easy, no? Whatever it is, b 0 means it is 1, 1 only you are going to get. It is 1 means 0, 1 only you are going to get. So you are going to get a. So whenever you are going to get this data, so this you can apply and this you can do. So for the logic gates they will give. Now again some of the manipulations we can do, and we are going to have one more, that is nothing but y which is equal to a plus a b, y is equal to a plus a bar b, okay. So now how I can say which gate it is. So again in truth table also you can write down, you can find out, distributive property or another. See a dot 1 if you write down means, okay, a dot 1 is nothing but, anything is nothing but a itself, no? It may be 0, 0, if it is 1, 1 only, plus a bar b you are going to write down. Now next, that 1 I can write down in this way, a 1 plus b, anything plus b is 1 in plus anything is 1 itself, no, plus. So it is a bar b. Now a plus ab plus a bar b, a plus ab plus A bar B. Now B is common term here. You can take A into B into A plus A bar. So what do you mean by A plus A bar? A plus A bar is nothing but 1, isn't it? So A plus A bar is nothing but if it is 0, 1 means 1. If it is 1, it is 0 means 1. So you are going to get A plus B. So that formula will be equal to OR gate, isn't it? This is nothing but OR gate. We can write down. Now in the next case, see also distributive property also you can do for that. We can also multiply, okay, A bar plus, isn't it, A plus, okay, A bar dot AB, isn't it? A plus A bar is nothing but 1. A plus A bar is nothing but, again it is, sorry, that is nothing but A plus A bar dot A plus B, like this it is, okay, A plus A bar dot A plus B. Distributive property we can use. So here you are going to get A plus B itself in this way. But this one you can use, this is very easy if you get confused with using distributive property means. Now in the next I am going to give some circuit, you have to solve it for me, okay, some of the circuits I am going to write down so that we can solve it, okay, and we will going to get that answers, we will discuss that. So now I have written one circuit in the board as well as some postulates. This already we have discussed. So just you can write down this, as well as this is called identity rule, as well as this is called negation rule, and this is the De Morgan's theorem. These are actually basic steps to solve any of the Boolean algebra or any of the digital circuit. Okay, now let's see, this is a question in such a way that the 4 options they have given. Now you have to give A, B, C some input in such a way that you have to get output 1. Now let's see what actually it is. So which one may be? Now here 1 you have to get means it is AND, isn't it? So it must be 1 and it must be 1, isn't it? Now here C is 1 itself, so C is 1, only this much, isn't it? So immediately you will get, it will be a easy work. So let's see, A1 and B0 means whether it is going to get 1. Yes, we are going to get, isn't it? So any of them you can will be satisfied, all will satisfy for A and B1 because it is OR gate, isn't it? Because any one of them must be 1, isn't it? Here 1 is there, here 1 will be there, but C, so C must be 1, no, to get 1 because it is AND gate, no. So the right answer it will be C. So reverse case you have to come, in the reverse case you have to come, no. So that is the thing. So one more circuit we are going to draw, and after that we are going to discuss once again. Now I have a circuits, I have to find out the answer, no. See, it is given that, so one logic gate is given, in that you have to find out that A, B, C is equal to 0 first time, then A, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. Then logic gate's output D is, so actually answer must be 1 and 1, okay. Let's see, I'll erase this actually, what is the output they have given. So options will be there, I didn't write down the options, rather than what is the options, we must know how to deal with this. Now first ABC is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, or 0 means 0 only, isn't it? 0 and 0 comes here, and 0 means 0 dot 0 is 0, but bar NAND gate it is, which is equal to 1. So for this, if it is given means you will get 1. And if it is given this means, let's see for the next case, okay, A, B is equal to 1, so 1 and 1 means we are going to get 1 itself, this is 0, so 0 I have got here. Now first one was 1, now 1 and 0 means AND gate, no, 0 itself, but it is NAND gate, inverse, that is equal to 1, so 1 comma 1, for this also 1 you are going to get, so option will be 1 comma 1 output in that way. So So now next we are going to get, so one logic gate is given. Which logic gate is this that we have to find out? They have given option OR gate, NAND gate, like that. Now let's see, it is A and B. Now this is not gate, so we are going to get A bar. It is not gate, we are going to get B bar. This is a NOR gate. Now before going to the NOR operation, we will do OR operation. OR means A bar plus B bar, isn't it? A bar plus B bar. So that we are going to get, or inverse, whatever we can call it. A naught, B naught we can talk, okay, we can say. Now A plus B, at the place of A bar is there, at the place of B bar is there. Now actually whole bar of this, no? Whole bar of this. Now what actually it is, based on all the operations we have studied that, based on all the operations we have studied that, based on earlier whatever the formula I have given. So what happens if you won't take this, if you won't take this bar, A plus B whole bar is nothing but AB bar, isn't it? AB, so here it is there, A and B whole bar it is, no. So A and B whole bar is nothing but A bar dot B bar, isn't it? Whole bar. But A was no longer A, it was bar. So I am going to get AB. So already I have done, again I am doing this, okay. So this is nothing but a AND gate, this is nothing but a AND gate, this is nothing but a AND gate, isn't it? Now next I have given this operation, okay. So this is an AND gate, A and A is given. So A dot A I am going to get bar of that. A dot A is A, isn't it? But A bar is there. Here also B bar I am going to get. Again it is NAND they have done. So A bar dot B bar whole bar I am going to get. Vice versa of this, isn't it? It must be a OR gate. It must be a OR gate, isn't it? How we are going to get A dot B whole bar, I have written that A bar plus B bar, but A is no longer A, B is no longer A is A bar, B is B bar, so I am going to get A plus B. Now the important is here in the next gate, I will erase this so that I can write down the answer here, concentrate, okay. So actually there is a NAND gate. A I have given means A I have given, A I have given. This will be A dot A. Okay, A dot A is nothing but A, but it is no longer A, this is a not, so it is A bar. So always remember, for a NAND gate, if two inputs are given, okay, shorted, then it becomes as NOT gate. It behaves as if like a NOT gate. See, here only we have done, no, it is one diagram we have done, yes. So that was, I did here, it is A bar, no need to write down, single input, it divides into two, generally we are going to get NOT itself. So now we can write down, we can understand that this is only the NOT gate, the NAND gate is together, if we is write down also NOT gate. So now onwards it is the thing. Now next see, I use same principle here. A means A bar I am going to get because it is NAND gate, shorted. B means B bar I am going to get, no. Now A bar B bar, that is A bar dot B bar, isn't it? And it is nothing but not output, not input, not input. It is not NAND gate, I can say it is not input. It is given, it becomes whole bar, which will be A plus B. Just now we have done, just now we have done, isn't it? So when output of two NOT gate, it is nothing but NOT gate itself, no, they act as if like NOT gate itself. So when two outputs, when the outputs of two NOT gate is given to NAND gate, is given to input of the NAND gate as it is, then the resultant gate will be a OR gate. Resultant gate will be an OR gate. Now using 3 NAND gate I can prepare a OR gate. I can prepare a OR gate. Now again I can give you 2 to 3 examples so that we can solve it, and after that again we are going to solve it when questions are going to do. Now this is the circuit we are going to talk about. A and B it is given. This is a NAND gate. Now this is a NOT gate, isn't it? NAND gate means 2 inputs are shorted, means it is a NOT gate. So whatever it comes, it will be barred or inversed. Now it is A, B bar, isn't it? So what you are going to get here? A, B bar of that. A, B bar of that. A dot B bar of that means what you are going to get? The double bar of that means you are going to get AB itself. Now remember here, when the inputs of a NAND gate is given to NOT gate, we will get AND gate. No? So remember that this will be a NOT gate itself. Okay. Next here they have asked us to complete the truth table. Complete the truth table. The circuit has to be complete here. So it is given to OR gate and circuit we have to write down AB. Now A goes here, A not, A bar you are going to get. B directly goes here, it becomes B. Here it is B not we are going to get, and here directly A comes A. So this is AND gate, so we are going to get A bar, B and A, B bar we are going to get. Now it is OR, so A bar B plus A B bar, and this special circuit we are going to call it as gate exclusive OR gate, XOR gate, and it is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. You have to write down the truth table means why. It is 0 1 1 0. It is a symmetry, no? It is a symmetry. Symmetry in this way. You can do this. This is a work for you. You have to find out the truth table for this. Okay. This is what for the XOR gate you are going to get. This is all. So all the important gates for you, maybe it is NEET, JEE and for CET, that I have covered in these topics. You see this much, that much is more than enough for you. And hence by saying this, I want to conclude this semiconductor electronics, whatever the synopsis part we have studied. We are going to complete here the synopsis part, and next we are going to talk about the questions. Go through those questions. Homework will be sent to you. Go through it. Solve at least 10, at least 5 questions per day you have to solve it. Simple. Simple the order it is. And more problems you will solve, more and more tricks you are going to get. That is what I am going to tell again and again. In each classes of mine I am going to tell you. Again you have to solve the problems. Again you have to solve the problems. Once or twice go through the synopsis, and later you will get hold on the topics. Okay. And mathematics must be very strong. Maybe it is integration, differentiation or multiplications and shifting the decimals. This is very important, and square roots, squares of the any numbers. This all plays a very important role for you when it is compared to the physics, when you come to the physics. And it does not depend on which book you are referred. Reference for the questions, any book you can refer. Okay, and for all other topics I have already guided you for the specific books for the reference, maybe for JEE, NEET and for your CET classes. So kindly go through this again and again, watch, and as well as watch for other information or other videos. Okay, by saying this, I'll thank you very much for watching this video, and we are going to conclude here the topic semiconductor and electronics. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.